Hi, my name is Nia Hallman and welcome to my Fission 101 video. Today I will be covering 5 scientific concepts relating to food that I have learned so far throughout the semester. The first one is called the Maillard reaction, and the Maillard reaction occurs in many foods that we eat, but in general, the Maillard reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs when heat is added to that foodstuff, and the presence of heat between the amino acids or proteins causes the creation of melanoidins, which browns the foodstuff and gives it flavor. We most commonly see the Maillard reaction take place when we make French fries. The crispy texture and the golden flavor of the French fry have the Maillard reaction to thank. The next scientific concept we will discuss is fermentation. If you've ever had kombucha, yogurt, or sourdough bread, then you have tried a fermented food. But simply put, fermentation is a process in which the sugars in a food are transformed into a new product through chemical reactions carried out by microorganisms. Fermented foods use microbial growth and help a food reach a distinct, sometimes acquired flavor. The third concept I will be discussing is called starch gelatinization. In Fission 101, we discuss starch gelatinization in relation to French fries. Starch gelatinization occurs when starch granules begin to absorb water, making the granules way bigger than their original size. When we make homemade French fries, starch gelatinization occurs when we add heat to the potatoes through the first fry. After the first fry, the French fries will be colorless and limp. This is how you know starch gelatinization has occurred. The fourth scientific concept is moisture content and water activity in the context of cookies and cakes. Moisture content and water activity applies to a lot of different foodstuffs we discuss in Fission 101, but specifically in cookies and cakes, it refers to how moist or soft that cookie or cake is. Moisture content refers to the water present in a foodstuff, typically measured as a percentage of weight. Water activity is the ratio of vapor pressure in a food to vapor pressure of pure water, and predicts whether water is likely to move into the cells of microorganisms within them. Cakes are considered intermediate moisture with an ideal moisture content of 25 to 35%, but this can all depend on how it was baked. The last scientific concept we will discuss is leavening, or leavening agent. And that is typically a term used in the baking community, and it refers to a substance used in a dough or batter to help it rise. In bread, a popular leavening agent is yeast, and in cookies and cakes, baking powder or baking soda aids in the rising of cookies and cakes. Baking powder and baking soda are considered chemical leavening agents, and they release carbon dioxide gas, which allows the dessert to increase in size. Desirable cookies and cakes are not dense and hard, and leavening agents are the key to creating a desirable cookie or cake.